Good morning. This is Patty from Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I'm coming to you to show you my 4 ingredients breakfast casserole. This is a recipe that I found, and I'm going to try it for the first time. And I will show you what I am going to need. This is 2 cups of cheese, and the cheeses that I'm using are mild cheddar. I'm using a mild cheddar, sharp cheddar, a little bit of jalapeno jack and mild cheddar, and Colby Jack. Now, you don't have to use but 2 cheeses if you like, but I just wanted to try it with these different cheeses. And you will need 4 eggs, and I have 4 eggs here that I've slightly beaten. I have parsley flakes in these, garlic powder, garlic pepper, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of black pepper. This is the sausage that I am using, and it is a 14-ounce pack mild Italian chicken sausage. And let me show you something else that I'll be using. I will be using the Crescent dough sheet by Pillsbury. So when I get all of this lined up, I'm going to fry this sausage and drain it. I'm going to brown it and drain it. And then I will come right back and show you what else I have going on in Patty's kitchen, okay? Okay, let you see what I'm doing. This is the dough that I've spread it in the baking dish, and this is the meat. And I did mine a little differently. I put my own spin. I added seasonings, more than salt and pepper to mine. I added the onion powder, the garlic powder, and Paul Prudhomme's magic poultry seasoning. And I'm spreading this meat all around this pan sausage, all around here. So see what that looks like? Okay, got it spread all on top of that. Then I'm going to sprinkle the cheeses on top of that. I have my oven preheated at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Sprinkling the cheese all around here like that. Then these are my slightly beaten eggs, and I'll pour them in. Wait just a minute, let me get something to spread that around. Okay. I want to make sure I get all of the egg out. And got the egg spread around here. And I have the 3/4 cup of milk. Ooh, I'm spilling stuff all over the place. And I'm going to put that right over the top and kind of spread that around. I'm making a mess over here. Okay, this is what it looks like going into the oven. And this is a 4 ingredients breakfast casserole, and I am going to bake it for about 25 minutes, and I'll come back and show you the end results. Hi, I'm back with the finished product. Here it is. This is the 4 ingredients. Let me pull this down so you can see. Get right to it. This is the 4 ingredients breakfast casserole. And I'm just gonna cut right in here and get some out. It has a nice crust on it. Oh yes, look at this. Let me cut it. It's right out of the oven. Let you see. Oh, look at that nice crust on there. Oops. And look at this. Let me let you see the plate. Look at that. This is your 4 ingredients breakfast casserole. Now let me take a bite and see what it tastes like. Nice crust. Look at the crust on there. Nice crust. The crust is so pretty and brown. And let me let you see this on the fork. Look at that. Now let me try it. This is so delicious. Y'all must try it. I'm going to drop the recipe in the description box. And you must try it. It is so good. It's different, delicious, and I use the Italian pan sausage, but you can use the sausage of your choice. You might want to use the pork or beef or whatever, but this is what I used, and it is so delicious. Let me let you see this pan again. Let you get down in here. See that? That is good. So good. This is Patty. Please press that like button, share, follow, and please subscribe. And thanks for watching. And I will see you soon. Goodbye.